the Triathlon School Building activity, our stage one. Our quiz is the bargaining forest and sea.
Ano ba to? Hindi makita.
The Bargain of Forest and Stream by A.G. Jackson. The stream and the woods made a bargain, that as long as the waters ran, and as long as the trees grew skyward, they followed this useful plan. The trees would shelter the rivers, and hold the flood waters back. The rivers would nourish the forest, and see that it never would lack. You never will have a river, steady and sure in its flow, unless in the upper reaches, trees verdant and helpful grow. And never will you find a forest, wide and refreshing and grand, unless it is nourished by rivers that flow through renewing the land. The man who destroys the timber, leaving the mountains